how to fix Windows must be installed to a partition formatted as NTFS. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error that says Windows must be installed to a partition formatted as NTFS. If you're seeing this, don't worry, I'll walk you through how to create and format a proper partition on drive C so you can install Windows without any issues. So let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and click on the Start menu and type in Disk Management. You'll see something pop up that says Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Click on that. Once Disk Management opens up, you'll see a list of all the drives and partitions currently on your system. What we're going to do is shrink an existing volume so we can carve out some space for a new partition. So pick a drive that has plenty of free space. Usually that's your D or F drive. Right-click on it and choose Shrink Volume. Now give it a second while it checks how much space can be shrunk. In the box that appears, type in how much space you want to use for your new partition. It's in megabytes, so if you want a 5 GB partition, type in 5000. Once that's done, click Shrink. You'll now see a chunk of unallocated space appear in the list. Right-click on that and choose New Simple Volume. Click Next, and then again next to accept the default size. Now choose a drive letter totally up to you and click Next again. Now give your new partition a name. You can name it Windows. Make sure the file system is set to NTFS and then click Next and Finish. And that's it. Your new partition is ready and will show up in File Explorer like any other drive. Hope this helped. If it did, go ahead and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next video.